si Golden at saka si Jong. Oh, grabe yun. Yung labanan nila noon, hindi birong magturo na parehong Bisaya. Siyempre, yung ating Tagalog, medyo na kailangan i-correct. Tapos, may kanya-kanyang ano sila estilo. Yung isa nagigitara, mahilig acoustic. Yung isa naman, siyempre, exposed din. We have a karaoke environment here in the Philippines. But I'm not saying yun lang ang training ni Golden. But of course, sa dami niya exposure sa events din sa probinsya, no? Yung transition nila from the beginning, yung parang very shy, and then, pero pag yung memorable sa akin, yung the way they transitioned to become better singers until they reach the finals. And then, yung naglabanan na sila kung sino ba talaga ang mananalo, hindi. Siyempre si Golden na nanalo. You can't please everybody, no? Marami kasi, napaka-varied ditong islands natin sa Pilipinas, yung taste. We are such a musical country. Hindi tayo limitado sa ating preferences, no? Ibig sabihin, we are so full of talent. So, Golden was also pure, innocent. I think tama lang kasi din na ibigay niya yung tamang interpretasyon nung kanyang contest piece. At saka naitawid in the sense na transmit or nailipat niya sa mga Filipino audiences yung tamang interpretasyon ng kanta mismo. Yung kay Jong noon kasi parang nagkaroon siya ng sickness, nag-affect sa voice niya. So medyo na-affect yung interpretation. But he has such a beautiful, unique voice. Doon sa second naman, si Jeremiah, ang kalaban niya yata it's Thea. I think it was now also, again, the battle of the live performances. Minsan may bibigay, minsan merong magsi-step up. At that instance talaga, Jeremiah really performed his best, and it just happened na also the conditions of Thea at the time was maganda din talaga interpretation niya, no? But there were some certain areas of her singing na medyo umangat mas lalo, mas stronger yung dating ni Jeremiah. Well, of course, I cannot know what really happened. I just coached them, no? And then, itong third, ito sila Jessica, no? Oh, Jessica was such a memorable. Kasi kararating lang niya from Cebu. And then, akala mo lang, ano lang siya, parang pusa, sabi, meow, meow. Pero pagka nung kumanta na siya, para siyang tigre. Hindi naman tigre. Ibig ko sabihin, power. The power of her voice and the range. I've never heard someone really reach those high notes with the chest placement and without hurting. Sabi ko, yung kanyang throat muscles or vocal muscles, napaka-natural niyang singer. Tapos, hindi siya takot. Wala, maski anong bigay mong estilo, maski anong kanta, gagawin niya. I saw her, hindi siya takot mag-interpret ng maski anong song. Aaralin niya, napakasipag. At saka nakita ko yung determination niya to win. Kaya naman. At saka yung musical, ang galing ng tainga, ibig sabihin, she may not read her notes, but her sharpness of the ability, sensitivity to harmonize, to reach those different intervals sa scale ng melodic patterns ng song, and then the different styles from blues to pop, to R&B, kaya. Kaya, very memorable sa akin yon. Talagang iba yung kay Marian. Parang lumabas yung I don't want to use the word, pero it's the sultriness, the satin voice lumabas talaga. And yung lyrical, she's a soprano, but she's able to sing pop na pwedeng bagay na bagay, hindi lamang sa pop music, pero she can easily transport her voice into different styles. Pwedeng Broadway, pwedeng, syempre hindi pa sanay, no? Kailangan i-train natin siya dun sa mga rock. Hindi naman talagang kailangan i-rock ang boses niya, no? Pero yung R&B, ayan, she's more of a ballad singer. Sylville Mark, medyo shy pa. Andun yung voice quality, very high voice tenor. Kailangan lang ilabas pa yung emosyon. At there were certain areas na kailangan i-sustain yung power. Nandun naman, kaya lang mas umangat talaga si Marian. Unexpected yung kanyang growth. Yung umpisa, very shy, umiiyak pa nga, parang gusto nyo mag-give up. Pero, you know, in the memorable sa kanya na nakinig siya at sinunod niya. Importante yun sa contestant. Kahit narinig niya, nakinig siya, hindi naman ina-apply. Binanik din nila sa kanilang dating estilo. Pero siya, willing to learn and apply. And his voice is very distinct. High baritone. Bihira yan ngayon sa ating industriya ng ganyang klaseng boses.